Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with a focused data audit so you know what to fix first. Catalog sources, owners, sizes, and formats. This exposes hidden duplicates and incompatible types. Once done, mark critical fields and set quality thresholds so you can prioritize cleaning. Make sure to assign a triage level: high risk for business continuity, medium for accuracy, low for archival, so you have an actionable short list. This creates momentum and prevents you from wasting cycles on low-impact files. You now move into cleaning and integration, where most work happens. Start automation scripts to dedupe, normalize formats, and validate records against rules so errors don't reappear. Next, map source schemas to a canonical model and use ETL or ELT pipelines to transform and centralize data. This reduces downstream confusion. Once pipelines run, implement versioning and checksums in a staging area so you can test recoverability and prevent corrupt loads. This ensures dependability as volume grows. You finish by locking in governance and observability so improvements persist. Apply access controls, RBAC, and encryption to protect data while audit logs record changes for accountability. Then deploy monitoring, alerts, SLAs, and dashboards that track error rates, latency, and freshness so you react before users notice. Finally, prepare rollback plans, automated backups, and a concise playbook for common failures. If a pipeline breaks, follow the playbook to restore service quickly. One tip: validate backups regularly to avoid false confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.